Certain editors from print and electronic media leave for the first international media exposure tour to Thailand in connection with actors policy. Opposition MLA L. Ibomcha compares progress of Sanjit and Rabina Fek encounter case with tortoise spit, demands for a fresh investigation. UCM strongly condemns the Republic Day celebration of GPRN, NSC and IM in Chandel district headquarters, asked if the state government has no report on the celebration. And the 6th annual Journalist Sports Meet 2016 kicks off today with the lighting of the torch at the Sacred Kangla. Hello and welcome, you're watching Impact Primetime News. I'm Butcher Malambam with the top stories. A 13-member team of editors of print and electronic media of Manipur, led by President of Editors Guild Manipur, Ahong Mobi, left Imphal for Thailand for the first Manipur International Media Exposure Tour. Chief Secretary Onaba Kishore Singh and DGPLM Kauti flagged off the tour this morning at the Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR at Moirangkhom. During the tour, the team would try to keep themselves abreast with the Southeast Asia's changing threat scenario in view of the initiative of the Government of India to implement Act East policy. Speaking at the occasion, Chief Secretary Onaba Kishore said the tour will open a new chapter for the media houses in the state. He also added that there is no dearth of talents in various fields in Manipur, and the tour will help the media catch up with the fast-growing trade and other aspects of the world.
Society that praise some of the Boyna, in Kayam Jam, Ibadona, other Chapama, the Sulu counterpart present in contact or publicity present upon another one of you.
BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thongnokjam Chauba today stated reshuffling of ministers in the Congress government is unlikely to take place and it should not happen. Speaking at a press meet held at the BJP office at Nitepa Chuthek, T.S. Chauba said the dissidents within the Congress does not seem to be in the favor of the welfare of the people, but it is an attempt to perpetuate the corruption indulged by the ministers for self-benefit. T.S. Chauba also added that the announcement for the recruitment of police personnel when results of the prior recruitment are yet to be declared will unnecessarily put burden on the people who are facing hardship. The BJP president also took the opportunity to greet the people of Manipur on the occasion of Yausang.
Congress ki corruption haraba sarkar si policy hongnanabugi MLA na haude hojik oiriba mantri singsina corruption tawado ainong tawge haiba mali prajana ubada mana tawribdo ai tawraga phai haibadudi kanaroi reshuffle tawrabasu tawdrabasu Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh na Thawoina lodi asidi reshuffle tawbai wafam di tawsu tawroi thasu thajade tawpham su thokte na lohi taliba se isagi kananaba oina tanbu hi leipaki oina udi.
Opposition MLA Laisom Ibomcha today compared the CBI investigation into the Sanjit and Rabina Fek encounter case with tortoise spit. The Kaisamtong MLA demanded a fresh investigation into the case to find the truth. Speaking at the inauguration of a new shade of Kaisamtong Ilangbam Laikai Apun Banupi organization, Ibomcha maintained that it is really unfortunate that the CBI investigation has taken a considerably long time. He remarked that in other states, the CBI investigations make speedy progress while they move at snail's pace. He also said, as the head constable Thongnokjam Herojit has submitted his statement on the Sanjit Fek encounter case, the state government should try to solve the case soon. Ibomcha urged the political parties to cut across party lines in dealing with state issues.
Investigation, my family are in the top. CBI said to me like already, when they was in Mangli, I country. I don't government appeal to them to the tournament cases disposed of no getting Taxalaga, Purulosha Bureau, not really Mulokota, she would descend the garlic. Punamak when the place of having the NGO, the Mana by Putanba, one Manatai. Kanung tahu dah pun ani tu kita mesti yang itu tahu. Kau ML itu liga mana betai, isu mana pun boleh samin apa, macam raja cakap apa pun macam
United Committee Manipur today strongly condemned the Republic Day celebration of GPRN, NSC and IM openly in Chandal district headquarters and asked if the state government has no report on the celebration. UCM also accused the state government of not being serious in many sensitive issues of the state. Speaking to media at UCM office at Lamphel-Pat, UCM President Elangbam Johnson said UCM has no objection of celebrating NSC and IM's Republic Day at Hebron Camp, Nagaland. But the people of Manipur and UCM can never accept such celebration in Manipur. He said the event is a clear manifestation of the failure of the government machineries and Home Minister Gaikangam and demanded that the Home Minister should resign on moral ground. Many past events such as a suspension of 5 Manipur police personnel on a mere allegation of Naga Students Federation without any investigation, abduction of Chandal Deputy Commissioner by NSC and IM following 10 NSC and IM cadres killed by IRB in 2000 and subsequent exchange of confiscated arms with the safe release of the DC and now open celebration of NSC and IM's Republic Day in Chandal have shown that the state government is not serious in such sensitive issues facing the state. UCM also questioned whether or not there was any intelligence report on the Republic Day celebration at Chandal and action should be taken against the official who ignored the report if there was such intelligence report.
Serious issues in the day. Miam Pamiba, Manipur ki Tunga Singer Katapa, Ikogi Apunbada, Ikogi Lairiba, Manipur ki territorial integrity, any Ikogi Apunba unity, the Kaiga, the Watabak Tawong Sing, a Shiva Tingmangam Dragadi, Madumatic Java leader, Nate and Akudi Logani, and Pumiano Sulowini, Carmine Togdana, NSC and I am na Mukogi, government of GPR and High Vesina, Carmine Togdana, Manipur ki Manunda, Asigumba, Akogi, Republic Day celebration, Japang Toki, no Hibase, Masiyam Tuna Singdopum Toy. Romashe Generamba, Masibu Tohan Kiba, Kanga Kangjin Nagitaba Singado, Chap Saba Madugi, Badu Dandi, Pigado, Chairak Pivum to E.
Normal life along Imphal-Churachandpur Road beyond Moirang Lamkai and Churachandpur district headquarters has been badly affected by the Band called by Kausabung Subdivision Demand Committee since last midnight. Band supporters blocked the traffic by placing stones and burning tires in the middle of the road. Scuffles also broke out between Band supporters and the police at Kwakta Bazaar. Women was injured when police fired tear gas shells and was rushed to Churachandpur District Hospital. Protesters also damaged a diesel auto in K. Shalbung village. Spokesperson of Kausabung Subdivision Demand Committee, NG Sanggangte, said village chiefs of 100 villages had submitted memorandum many times to the government against the shifting of the subdivisional headquarters from Kausabung, but the government failed to respond positively. Sanggangte also questioned whether government did not consider the populace of Kausabung as people of the state. Government must be held responsible for any untoward incident that may occur during the Band. Sanggangte also added that more intense form of agitation will be carried out if government tries to divert the issue.
Government ay kuisibu na thera bara haidana kongjang si chengsinglap ko matamda ngasi ban se ko buni adu ngasi ban sida nupi angang kaya su asoka pannang kare adu gari ate ka kaisu lere khuding makse government na daita loge do buni maramdi asiguma thoktana ba haidana ko na kholau laudana sit-in protest todana chatharak pase numit ni pu hele adu mayam ki kholau se tabi de ba haibsibu ekhoi sibu Manipur ki citizenship na tebra subdivision asi mayam ki apam mafam sida thambiu thambidiriba phawba khongjang si hin hina kansinba changsilakani government.
A differently abled victim today alleged that police have failed to take any action against the culprits involved in an attempt to kill her. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Aruna, wife of Mohammad Amir, said the incident took place on January 6 at the courtyard of her house at Kairang Kumidog under Haingang police station. On the fateful day, her son had a fight with his cousin while playing and Aruna tried to stop them. Aruna's brother-in-law Mohammad Riaz Khan and his wife Yaimabi came and attacked her with a spade. She said they hit her on the head. Her husband filed a report at Haingang police following the incident. However, no action has been taken against the culprits. Meanwhile, Disabled Developments Association stated that a memorandum will be submitted to the Director General of Police and Commissioner Disabled, urging them to take action against the investigating officer of the case and the culprits.
I luhongaba matungdasu haiba inau nipasina aigi nupasida natu khongdekpi ama lauraga haina aibu phubi adugi matungda haujiki tang 13 tang kaibu live attempt tawbire puroibana Haingang police the FIR ama tawe ado Haingang police station karigumba ama pholau khatpide choinairaba aikoi bahanna engbide choinai haibagi matungina makoina aikoi bukana leite haina torture tawbi ado Haingang police station da su makoi gi mathakte action lau khatpiyo haiduna aina khurumjari.
Ahead of the 5-day Yaosheng, the Festival of Colors beginning tomorrow, people throng the Quaramban Kaithel, making last-minute purchases for the festival. Traffic jams were witnessed in the busy marketplaces. People shopped for young boys and girls, water sprayers known as pichkari, and colors for the festival. Some of the vendors at Ima Kaithel lamented their business has been badly affected after the January 4 earthquake, while some shopkeepers said due to increasing number of shops, their business has been low compared to last year.
Mase handakidi posisasi khara watpa irang langba natai chadaba ama landam am oijaraga suko matungda hayimki lakadri yaksang sidadi ne koi epung mara tapna leibak si ingna mara tapna koi leidana posisasi koi ju poche yon bada ingna mara tapna yon jaba aduga leibak si ingba tampa santi oiba leiba ama koi oisunu haiba famji imana thamjaningi
kumsini hele paisa nungsa su nungai adugane pochu yam sicheye adudi khaiden je chemanningi ima hodi phamba yamna kijare masida phamba je
numi mangani gi kumai oimna ko masigi matamda yam phajana inga tamna ama nungsina na sanana kumai ama oibagi adumai tawdingi wakandodi.
Governor V. Shanmuganathan has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Yaosheng. In his message, the governor said the Festival of Colors celebrates the very spirit of life, and both the young and old take part in the festival with new hopes and confidence for the future. He urged all to celebrate Yaosheng in its true spirit with the participation of all communities and to resolve to make Manipur a better and peaceful state. Major General V.S. Srinivas, IGR South and all ranks of Assam Rifles have wished the people of Manipur on the occasion of Yaosheng. In a press release, the IGR South said the festival heralds an era of peace, progress and prosperity, and hoped that the Festival of Colors will strengthen the spirit of unity, cohesiveness and brotherhood amongst the people. IGR South sends greetings and sincere goodwill to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Easter. Imphal East Police will organize a special drive from March 23rd to 27th to strictly implement certain safety norms in view of the Yaosheng festival. The SP Imphal East has appealed to the people to cooperate and help the police to ensure peaceful celebration of the festival. The western gate of Sri Anu Mahaprabhu, located at Navadip Dham, Nadia District, West Bengal, was inaugurated yesterday. The western gate of Sri Anu Mahaprabhu is donated by Khomdram Dhanamanjuri of Kwakaithel. Commemoration of 531st birth anniversary of Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, organized by Rajrishi Bhagyachandra Memorial Trust, has also begun from the 18th of this month and will continue till March 24. Wari Liba, Ras Dance, Holi Pala are the main highlights of the commemoration. It may be also noted that participation in Holi program held in Navadip by Manipuris from Manipur and other states are also increasing.
Sri Anu Mahaprabhu gi akhara achida bhakta Manipur gi bhakta Vaishnava mayam singa china aduki mati chahi lisang china sigi festival se pangthokre lai adubu khwaidagi ka hena miyam tina lakhibadi chahi 15 suba ngasidagi chahi 30 ga mathoi ni thoi se sigi manung se di aduki matik chauna holy festival se chauna pangthok lai.
It's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
Manipur की अहान हार्ट सर्जन डॉक्टर KS कला सिंह MS MCH FICS FAICH नलायंग जरी अदोमना बाईपास सर्जरी वाल्व सर्जरी ASD सर्जरी PDA सर्जरी अमसुंग VSD सर्जरी तौगदब लेरगदी स्काई हॉस्पिटल दा निंगथौकाब यमसा कैसा मरी इराई नुमित की OPD मतम पुंग 13 दगी अमा फावबदा लायंग जगनी निंगम हौदना बमांग जौना स्काई हॉस्पिटल की रिसेप्शन दा लाक्पिदना बुक तौबिहौ
मणिपुर की अहान ब्यूटिफिकेशन सेंटर मफम सिदा माहिंग उरिंग उनसा खोइबा अरीबा दाकफम फहन बंगामी टेटू मोल फ्रेकल न चिंगबसु लौथोकपा याय हक्चांग की अहेनबा फेट पामदबा बॉडी की हेयर लौथोकपा याय अहानबा लाक्पिबा 100 कस्टमर दा स्किन टेस्ट अमदी डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशन लेमने हिंगजगन ngasimak unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal.
Welcome back. Doctors and nurses of Palel Community Health Center, Kakching Community Health Center, Yanglam Primary Health Center, Kakching Kunau CHC, Sugnu CHC and Sero PHC states sitting against the monetary demand to Primary Health Center and Community Health Center at Kakching block in Thobal district. The protesters appealed not to make such demands to medical sectors in future. The Foundation Day of Anal Lelrul Tangpi Anal Students Union was celebrated today at Indoor Stadium in Chandal headquarters. Chandal MLA Victor Nunglung, DC Chandal Robert Khetrimayum were among those who took part in the event. Victor Nunglung hoisted the flag of the ALT and unveiled the memorial stone of the Foundation Day on the occasion. Robert Khetrimayum appreciated the ALT for their sincere efforts for the development of the students. People of Uyungpok, Nongchum have called for a 17-hour bund from Sagolmang to Imphal Road from 6 a.m. tomorrow against the government's failure to protect them. Residents of Uyungpok, Nongchum have alleged that some Kuki underground outfits are creating panic among the people. Convener of JSC against the torture of Nongchum village, Konjengbam Ibungobi, today told the media at Manipur Press Club that the cadres of Kuki National Army KNA and Kuki Liberation Army KLA have tortured the villagers of Nongchum village several times and appeals to the government to immediately resolve the issue of KNA and KLA, which are signatories to suspension of operation. He said they had earlier urged the government to open police outposts to protect the people. He said if the government does not take immediate measure to settle the problem, the JSC along with Maitai Youth Front Southeast Asia will resort to agitation.
Government ki maikai degi prajajing jigi sabsaba ko ngak shen bi bagi natrana prajajing nena ta na tung ko hing bagi damakta ko sabsaba negotiation ama lobri trip howa ko ki joint action committee amadi Maitai Youth Front kona group siga ko joint action committee ma ko tusan naraga ko matam matam gi oiba kongjang ji changsan bagi tanja se ko lokjaragani aduna matam kongjang ji ngasi gi ahing nongjai degi ko kongjang ji hobaina ko ki joint action committee jina lemna jare ahan boina hayeng si ko pung 13 ki oiba ballama kha ko ki ahan boina ko ki Sagomang to Imphal road city da ko paikhatjaragani.
The new administrative building of Rehabilitation Center of the Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA was inaugurated today at Lamsang, Tauthong. Lok Sabha MP Dr. T.H. Maina and social activist R.K. Ranendrajit among others attended the event. Advocate Y. Ratan Kumar said the newly inaugurated Rehabilitation Center would play a major role in curbing the drug addiction level and would help the addicts give up drugs and lead a clean and healthy life.
Koi lamsida mayai ka ban nisagi impact ki China si yamna wangi haibane ba anang si si hoji se akoi gi every kendra khuding da akoi gi drug addict oro yugi addict oro any makhal magi impact phanga ba jam seriously kano or ba thadu pangam dra adu ma addict myam leba si hoji lai ba yam sina ketang ponjan bangam da ba pot asi akoi na khara dai to lawraga akoi si da plan to 50 bedded ni Today is UN World Water Day. The whole world is celebrating the day. The day focuses on the importance of fresh water and advocates for the sustainable management of fresh water resources.
The theme for this year is Water and Jobs, Better Water, Better Jobs, indicating the correlations between water and jobs created either directly or indirectly by water sources on the globe. Water conservation has become an essential practice in all regions, even in areas where water seems abundant. When it comes to conservation, small adjustments can have a big impact. And the simple actions that you take today can help save a lot, because every drop counts. Few tips on saving water at home could be: check pipes for leaks, soak your dishes, take shorter showers, turn off the tap while you brush, and avoid using the toilet as a waste basket. Now in sports, the 6th Annual Journalist Sports Meet 2016 kicked off today with the lighting of the torch at the Sacred Kangla. The 5-day sports meet organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union was inaugurated by Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar. Competition will be held in various sports events including athletics, football, cricket, volleyball and indoor games. The events will be held at Kumanlampak Men's Stadium, Luang Sangwam Cricket Ground and Amju's office. At least 200 media persons representing different media houses in the state will take part in the event. In his opening speech, Speaker T.S. Lokeshwar appreciated the role of the media persons of the state in the state and appealed to them to work with dedication and sincerity to bring a better change in the society. He also announced a cash prize of Rs 20,000 for the overall team champion of the meet. JNIM's director Dr. Laishram Deben, who also attended the event, stressed the need to keep the body fit and healthy by the media persons who are working round the clock.
Lambida sapa moktosu papa posen oradi apabadu piraga mai matabu tamona ba phatta posoro masi phatta basna atobal aina phongo boma tamda lamdana gidu oragadi matu ai laibak si khambiraga yengnaba mayam leragasu nungaitaba mayam leragasu phumdana thambiraga khadang se thambiraga laibak namak sanalaba manipur oina hudamta tawbi.
Annual Sports 2016 of National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NILIT Akampat, concluded today on its campus. Prizes were presented to the winners in different events at the concluding function. 9th Loktak Trophy, organized by All Moirang Football Association, Moirang, and sponsored by National Hydro Park Corporation, will kick off from 30th of this month at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ground. 6 teams will be taking part in the tournament. Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Sports Association, Kha Imphal beat Khetri Iril Youth Club Khetrigao by 8 wickets in a match of the 3rd MCA played cricket tournament played today. Winning the toss, Khetri Iril Youth Club Khetrigao batted first and were all out for 80 in 30 overs. In reply, Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Sports Association Kha Imphal reached the target runs in just 17.2 overs, losing only 2 wickets. Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Sports Association Kha Imphal bowler Rocky was declared the man of the match for claiming 5 wickets. Didim Road Athletic Union Kwakathil will play Patsoi Taumang Rising Club Patsoi Part 4 in the Elite Cricket Tournament tomorrow. The 5th Inter-District Kanglai Park Football Trophy kicked off today at Imphal Polo Ground. In an opening friendly match, All Manipur Working Journalists Union and Kanglai Park Students Association were drawn 2-2. The tournament is jointly organized by All Manipur Football Association and Kanglai Park Students Association. Hockey India on Monday announced an 18-member Indian team led by Sardar Singh that will take part in the 25th edition of the Sultan Azlan Shah Cup to be held in Ipoh, Malaysia from April 6 to 16. Besides India, New Zealand, 2012 Olympic bronze medalist Australia, Pakistan, Japan, Canada and host Malaysia will be taking part in the annual tournament. Sardar Singh said, "India has a good record in the Sultan Azlan Shah Cup and we would like to keep it that way. Being an Olympic year, this tournament assumes special importance as it will give us an idea where we stand." State players Kothajit Singh, defender, and Chinglen Sana Singh Kanguzam, midfielder, are part of the team. That's all we have for the time being, but before we wind this session of bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. 13 editors from print and electronic media leave for the first international media exposure tour to Thailand in connection with Act East policy. Opposition MLA El Ibomcha compares progress of Sanjit and Rabina Fek encounter case with tortoise spit, demands for a fresh investigation. UCM strongly condemns the Republic Day celebration of GPRN NSCN-IM in Chandel district headquarters, asked if the state government has no report on the celebration. And the 6th annual Journalist Sports Meet 2016 kicks off today with the lighting of the torch at the Sacred Kangla.